Fam, I give up. I'm done. This is too hard. I'm tired of it. I'm not seeing the results that I want to see. I'm frustrated. I don't think that anyone's in this journey with me, so I give up. Psych, I'm not giving up. You're crazy. Fam, day 13 of hashtag Motivate Humanity Challenge. I'm talking to you, guess what, about giving up. You know what? When you have an idea, when you have a journey, when you have a goal, it's hard sometimes. It's challenging sometimes. It should be challenging. You should be challenging yourself. And you should want to feel like, man, I want to give up. This isn't working out. But you have to just push through. You have to have that tenacity, have that drive, and know that, you know what? My goals are worth my effort. The end. All right, fam, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I hope everyone's safe and happy. Peace.